Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is plane mirror. Today's topic is what? Plane mirror. Previous class already we have discussed about reflection of light. Reflection of light through a smooth surface, plane surface, or reflection of light through a what? Diffuse surface. Today we will start plane mirror. In plane mirror also reflection of light takes place. That's why you are able to see your image. You can see your image inside the mirror. That is which image? Virtual image. That is what? Virtual image. Today's topic is our plane mirror. How we can make a plane mirror from a glass plate? Take one glass plate. One side you have to coated with either silver coating you will give or any other what coating will be there to make it opaque. To make it what? Opaque. To make it opaque. So light rays from this part will reflect to this part. Again from here it will reflect to this side. So light rays coming or incident on the mirror will reflect in this way. Again it will incident on the mirror, it will reflect in this way. So one part is reflecting surface, whereas the other part is what? Polished surface. Other part is what? Polished surface. Clear? One part is called reflecting surface and other part is called what? Polished surface, and light cannot pass through the mirror. Always it is reflecting from the mirror. It is reflecting from the what? Mirror. Understood or not? Next, some terms related to incident ray, either a reflection of light. What? Some terms related to reflection of light. First term is incident ray. First term is what? Incident ray. Understood or not? So what is incident ray? What is incident ray? The ray of light falls on the mirror. The ray of light falls on the mirror, that is called what? Incident ray. That is called incident ray. Understood? Next, our point of incidence. Point of what? Incidence. Point of incidence. Point of incidence. What is point of incidence? The point at which the incident ray falls, means this is the point. The point at which incident ray falls, that is called what? Point of incidence. That is called point of incidence. Next term is our what? Reflected ray. Next term is our what? Reflected ray. And what is reflected ray? What is reflected ray? The ray after striking coming to the same medium. The ray after striking to the mirror coming to the same medium, that is called reflected ray. Next one is normal. Next one is what? Normal. Let's see. Proper diagram we will draw. Suppose it is the mirror. Here the incident ray. This is the point of incidence. Now it is the reflected ray. This much understood? Next, our term is what? Normal. Normal means at the point of incidence, the perpendicular drawn. At the point of incidence, the normal drawn, the perpendicular drawn, or 90 degree to the what? Plane mirror, that is called normal. This is I. What? Incident ray. I will tell about that. Small I, capital, small I and small r value is there. I will tell about that. So what? First one, incident ray, then point of incidence, then reflected ray, now normal. Normal definition is what? The perpendicular drawn, the normal drawn to the point of incidence is called what? Normal. Another, some terms are there. Angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. What? Angle of incidence, no? What? Angle of what incidence? Yes. Angle of incidence. What is angle of incidence? The angle between normal and incident ray. The angle between the normal and what? Incident ray. This angle is called angle of incidence, and angle of incidence is denoted by small I. Angle of incidence is denoted by what? Small I. Again, the angle between the normal and reflected ray, that is called angle of reflection. Another term is there, angle of reflection. Another term is what? Angle of reflections. Again, the angle between incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence. It is denoted by what? Small I. Whereas the angle between the reflected ray and the normal is called angle of reflection. It is denoted by small r. It is denoted by what? Small r. Clear this much term? Incident ray, point of incidence, reflected ray, normal, angle of incidence, angle of reflection. Angle of what? Reflection. Clear? Next, one law is there. What? Laws of reflection. Laws of what? Reflection. Laws of reflection. Let's see what is that. Laws of reflection. First law. First law. Suppose it is mirror. One incident ray falls on point of incidence, then it is reflected back, and this is a normal. And this is angle of incidence, and this is what? Angle of reflections. Okay? So from here, the laws of reflection state that first law is angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflections. In word also you can write angle of incidence is always equal to what? Angle of reflection. Means I is always equal to R. Whether it is smooth or regular reflection, whether it is what? Our irregular reflection. So from here, the first law states that angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. Second point state that, or second law, first law is angle of incidence is what? Always equal to angle of reflection. Second law is what? The incident ray, the normal, and the reflected ray at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Again, second law I am telling, listen carefully. The incident ray, the normal, and the reflected ray at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. All lie in the what? Same plane. Clear? This is Laws of reflection. Laws of what? Reflection. Understood? Next one. Let us do some numerical according to this one. Let us do some numericals according to this one. First one, suppose this is a mirror. One angle of incident here, it falls, and this is normal, and this is what? Angle of reflections. If question will tell angle of incident is 45 degree, find the angle of reflection. Find the angle of reflection. What will be the angle of reflection? The angle of reflection is also 45 degree according to first laws of reflection. First laws of what? Reflection. So if the angle of incident is 45 degree, angle of reflection also 45 degree. If question will come, if angle of incident is 60 degree, then what is the angle of reflection? The angle of reflection also 60 degree. The angle of reflection also what? 60 degree. Now for you some homework is there. I am giving some questions you will solve. When I is equal to 30 degree. Suppose let me give the name first. Suppose this is A, this is O, and this is B, and this is N. AO is the incident ray, OB is the reflected ray, NO is normal, M and M1 is the mirror. MO, M1 is what? Mirror, plane of the mirror. Clear or not? Plane of the what? Mirror. Suppose this angle of incidence is 30 degree. Find angle BON. Find angle BON as well as you can find AOM also. This is homework. This is homework. What? Find BON. BON means this BON. Again, you can find AOM also. Let me give you hints. MON. MON is 90 degree. You know that it is normal. Perpendicular to the plane mirror means always it is 90 degree. I am giving one hint only. MON angle. Angle MON is how much degree? 90 degree. These two you will find. First bit and second bit. Okay? You will find. And if you will find this answer, you will write in comment box. After what watching this video, you will write in comment box in YouTube. Clear? That one I will see and I will find whether you have given correct answer or wrong answer. Clear? You have to give in the comment box. Clear? Next one. Next is our image formed by a plane mirror. Suppose a person is standing here and this is the what? Mirror. Then the ray of light falls on the mirror or not? Yes or no? The ray of light from the object will pass towards the mirror. Then the image will form backside of the mirror. Backside of the mirror, that is called virtual and erect mirror. Object, what? Image, sorry, image. Okay? Virtual and erect image. Erect means upright also you can say. How the person is standing, the image also standing like that. Clear or not? Next one. 2 points. Our two type of image. One is point object. Two type of object is there. One is point object. Another one is what? Extended object. What? Suppose one is point object is here. Which object? Point object. From each point object we have to take two incident ray. How many incident ray? At least two incident ray required to form image of an object. So if the incident ray falls here, it will travel like this or not? After reflection it will travel. If the incident ray falls here, it will also travel like this. When they will meet, when they will produce backside, they are meeting at a point. They are meeting at a point. This is little backside, it will move. Okay, they are meeting at a point, that is called image and this is called object. According to what laws of reflections, they are obeying the angle of incidence. Angle of incidence will be equal to angle of reflections. Okay, when the rays falls here, they will reflect to this side and they will produce backwards. When they are producing backwards, they are forming the image here. Understood? This is the what? Point object. And the distance between the object and mirror is always equal to the distance between the image and the mirror. The distance between the object and mirror is always equal to the distance between the image and the mirror. Image and the what? Mirror. Next one, this is point object. Now another one is extended object. Which object? Extended object or larger object. Let's see. Suppose this is our what? Mirror. One object is here. One object. And suppose you are taking one pencil. A, B. From each point two incident ray will falls. How many incident ray? Two incident ray will falls. And they will also reflect or not. This is the reflected ray. This is the reflected ray. This is the reflected ray. This is the reflected ray of this line. Okay. When they are moving and meeting at a point. Okay. They will meet at a point and they will form the image what? They will form the image like this. Clear or not? Sorry, this one little bend I am doing, but when you will do with the help of scale, it will form like this only. Yes or no? Suppose it is A and B, this will be A dex and this will be what? B dex. This is A and B means A dex, means A's image is A dex and B's image is what? B dex. This is the extended source of light. And when they are producing backwards and meeting at a point, then only they are producing the image. That's why the image is virtual, virtual image or erect image. They are producing the virtual image as well as what? Erect image. What type of image they are producing? Virtual and what? Erect image. Virtual and what? Erect image. So what are the properties of image formed by a plane mirror? What are the properties of the image formed by a plane mirror? The properties are, first one is what? First one, the first property is, it is virtual. What? Virtual. Because the rays are moving backside and producing or meeting at a point, then only they are what? Virtual. Second image is what? They are erect. Suppose you are standing in front of your what? Mirror, then your image is what? Inverted image you are getting or full erect image you are getting? Erect image you will get, upright image you will get. How you are standing, your image also will stand like that. Third point is what? Third point is of the same size of the object, means the image is how much height or the size of the image will equal, it will be equal to the what? Size of the object, means how your size, your image also like that. Your image will not become fat, your image will not become thin. Next point is what? Our fourth number point. The image is how much distance, the object also that much distance in front of the mirror. If the object is 2 meter in front of the mirror, then the image also 2 meter behind the mirror. If the object is 2 meter in front of the mirror, then the image also 2 meter behind the mirror. Means how much distance you are standing in front of the mirror, that much distance your image will stand. Clear? Next, the last one is laterally inverted. Laterally inverted means what you know? When you raise right hand in front of the mirror, your image will raise left hand. When you will raise right hand, your image will raise what? Left hand. That's why that is called laterally inverted. The interchange of the left and right side of an object, no sorry, the interchange of the left and right side of an image formed by a plane mirror, that is called what? Laterally inverted, or lateral inversion also you can say. Lateral inversions. Okay, today up to this much. Okay, thank you.